So I had Stumble Guys, but I didn't play it so much I played Never Again, so I decided to play it with you guys. Played it really looked like Fall Guys. This is a sponsor. This is my first time playing it. This video had a sponsor with this gameplay Stumble Guys. It's not popular, but it's still so fun. Okay, you can play it on Android, iPhone, and more. Okay, back to the video. Okay, so you can do challenges on this game. And you can make group play it. Oh, this wasn't my voice, that was my sister, but yeah, you can make groups. And you can play it when you are in the group. Okay, now no talking, look at this, it's fun. Like and subscribe, click the bell, okay, bye guys.